write a code to extract the instrument name for a particular weekly expiry. For example, we have taken this Bank Nifty 13th October 39,000 C and P. So if we open this chart, when you open this chart, you will get the instrument name here. So you can see that it consists of Bank Nifty, that is the instrument that we are taking, Bank Nifty. Then after it is date 22. So instead of 2022, we have to add here 22. After that we have O. Then we have this 13 as date, today's date. It is the Thursday date, it is the next Thursday date. So we have to find the next Thursday date value. And then it's the 39,000 CE. So here the price is around 38,600. So we have to take this in the multiple of 100,000. So that we have to also check. So now let's move on to the coding. So here I have created one method. So here I have taken the instrument price, date, year, ATM value, and the type of option, that is C or P, and we are checking that if this date is greater than 10 or not. So if it is less than 10, then we have to add an extra 0, or we have to write simply. So this is the code. First of all, we have to divide it by 100 so that we can get the value in terms of 39,000 CE. Then divide it into by 100. Then we are taking a modular of year, so that for a year 2022 we are getting value 22, and we are just adding the values for this, and we are checking this if the date is less than 10 or not. So for that we have added these two lines, and let me open one. So give me a minute. So you can see that I have added this method as get Thursday, and we are passing these values. So let's take an example. We are passing this Bank Nifty, price is 39,577, and today's date is 13, and date is year is 2022. We are taking 308 strike price, and this C. So now let's run this. So we are getting this value as 39, Bank Nifty 22013, 39800 C, and let's see if it's right or wrong. So yeah, we are getting this signal. So yeah, that's it. So guys, if you like this video, please like it, and if you feel like I am creating good content and it is helpful for you, so please subscribe it as well. It will motivate us to bring much more content related to this. So yeah, thank you.